Good morning, everybody. I want to say thank you for being in here already. Pretty sure it's Thursday morning. The market is looking okay today. The market's looking okay. We're not seeing some huge decline after the Federal Reserve announcement. People are still comfortable with what they said. So I like that. We got Frank first in the chat, as always. Man, what's going on, Frank? Kalani, Frank, Justin, Nick F, good morning to you. We got guest name, Frank, Joel, Shredda, Mark. We got Julia Gulia, Mark, Shredda, Pika, Power, Frank, Justin, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Oh, yes. Mark, Danelle, Pika, Shitsu, Inu. Who else we got in here? Pika, Power, Mark, Kelly, Mark, Frodo, Frank, Devil's Advocate, Pika Power, and AJ Smith. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Let's see what we got going on in the market, then we'll get over to the chats real quick. We got to go Big Weeble. We got to go Big Weeble before we go over there. Yeah. You're going to ruin it, Clay. Nobody can see what's going on. Now they can. We've got AMC sitting at 15.12 right now, down 0.72%, but it's all right. It's floating around there, guys. Nothing to be concerned about. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 22.53. GameStop 85.44. Pharma sitting at 16.08. Dude, it was just at 16.76. It was doing 16.08. We've got the Nasdaq pulling back slightly. Nothing to be concerned about here because it was just up to 13.450 a minute ago. Now it's sitting at 13.393. So really wanting to go back in positive territory today. We'll see what happens there. The support level is at 13.3, so we're good on that one still. We've got Prague sitting at $1.27, up 1.19% right now. Sundial in the green, 49.83. Mullen Auto soaring, flying. Mullen Auto doing very well, up 25% right now, sitting at $2.18. CEI also bouncing back nicely, 89 cents there. SPY down very, very, very slightly. And BBIG up nice right now, 6.5%, guys. Seems to be a decent morning so far. Let's watch the NASDAQ down there for a second. We've got, let's see what you guys are saying here. They're discussing the nickel market shutdown regarding the Chinese hedge funds shorting to coal. Ooh, my goodness, shorting to coal. I like it, Mark. And how they were saved by using the money of other traders to cover the debt. Claybro called this days ago. I like it. Mark, thank you for pointing that out, man. Nicole, she sounds like a dangerous woman, man. Sounds like a dangerous woman getting shorted there. Duh, Ellen, what's going on? Danelle, morning, Clay Apes. What's going on, Shitsu Inu? I gate these devices, autocorrected keep. Yeah, man, I gate these devices, autocorrected keep. Mark's having a tough morning. Guys, just be with Mark today, all right? Think about Mark. Make sure that you guys look out for him. Seems like he gates these devices, autocorrect and keep. Mark, we're with you, man. We're with you. Late. Claybro, I liked your dream versus reality video. I think it's great for holders who have unrealistic goals for Shib. I was in that crowd before, but this stream pulled me down to reality. Thanks. Peak of power. I unfortunately have that effect on people. You know, I just try to bring them down all the time. People are happy, and then they come in here, and they watch me, and they're like, what is this load of crap? Man, what is this load of crap? This guy telling me I'm not going to wake up tomorrow and have it at a penny? That I might actually have to wait and see some sustainable growth? I'm sorry, Pika. I'm sorry. What's up, Clay fam? DD214, what's going on? Always a reason. There's always a reason. Yes, man. I love to see Shiba at the support level. If it drops below to the low 2000s or teens, I'm loading the boat again. Justin Johnson. Very nice, man. Yeah. Shiba Inu coin sitting at these support levels as Bitcoin is sitting at support levels as well. Bitcoin around that $40,000 mark, trying to bounce down there. We can see it on this chart right here, trying to bounce down below this $40,000 mark, sitting at support. We've got Shiba Inu coin on the daily. You can see it right around these levels too, in between 2,200 and 2,000 points per coin. Both of these levels, well, the 2,200 is sitting as a level of resistance right now. Same channel we were in back here. We're in right now. So just get a little breakout to the upside, and we'll be good as gold, man. All right, let's go back to, let's watch the NASDAQ here. NASDAQ looking good, guys. Here's what we're seeing. NASDAQ trying to break up. It broke out of the level of the channel that it was in. I like that, but it's trying to get out of that descending wedge that we've been seeing, these lower highs and lower lows. Hopefully, we can sustain that move as well. I like the green today. I can't complain about the green today. I mean, it's red on the day, but it's higher than the open. So I can't complain about the price action, but I would like to see a sustained move above this descending wedge that it was in there. That's the NASDAQ. We'll go out to, you know what? We're just going to go back to a 1 minute. We'll go back to a 1 minute. You guys want the NASDAQ or you want Prague down there on the bottom left? What do you want on the bottom left? We can move it around. Pig, I will always be there for you to pull you down when you're up. Facts, man. Facts on that. If you guys are feeling good, I'll make sure you don't feel too good. If you guys are feeling great, I'll make sure you feel good. You will never have euphoria when you are sitting in this live stream. I will make sure the realism hits you and hits you hard. Justin Johnson, same, bro. Same. Kalani will be loading up if it goes any cheaper. Very nice, man. Don't make fun. Mark, man, I'm not making fun of you. I'm just saying, we're here with you. It's okay, man. It's okay. You're having one of those days where you can't type anything right. Should we keep adding to our position? So, AJ Smith, that's a good question in general, man. And unfortunately, I can't answer that for you. I can answer it for me. I can't answer it for you. Here's some things you should consider when wondering if you should continue adding. Right now, it's very cheap right now. The market has pulled back. There is a lot of fear going on in the financial system. You're talking fear in crypto. Okay, you get the European Union and the European banking system having 3 guys come out today and make announcements that crypto is extremely dangerous, and if you're investing in crypto, you should expect to lose it all. That's nonsense. I might actually do a video on that tonight, but that's nonsense. But that's just the crypto fear. You got Russia and Ukraine, man. That's causing a lot of fear. The Fed, kind of causing fear, not giving us too much clarity, but the market accepted this statement yesterday. So inflation is really what the underlying thing with the Fed is. There's a lot going on, more than normal. And you know what? They might bring up some of those virus concerns after some other dust settles. So the market's got a lot to look at right now. Over time, I absolutely believe it will make sense to add to your positions right now. But who are you? Are you willing to continue dollar cost averaging if it goes down? Do you have the funds available to continue adding right now? Do you have the stomach to start building up a big position in the stock market or in the crypto market? These are a lot of personal questions that you need to answer before you just go in and continue adding and adding and adding, because it's possible that the price falls and falls and falls. But, dude, I do think that right now, once we recover from where we're at, people are going to wish they had, taken out equity lines on their houses and gone all in once we recover and things start soaring again. I believe that, we've fallen very far and we have a long way to go back up. But it's all your risk reward, and it's all your I guess, gosh, what's the best way to put that? Your risk appetite, man. It's all your risk appetite and what you're willing to risk. Because I don't know how heavy you are right now anyway. I'm multitasking, watching the SLS roll out an asset, listening to a conversation about the financial situation, and hanging out with the Ames. Mark, I like it, man. Mark doesn't just take one thing. He takes them all. Happy St. Patrick. Today's St. Patrick's Day. What? St. Patty's Day. We got the green going on. What's up with your volume? It's really low recently. I need to have my TV on really high compared to other channels. Crypto Rocketeer, what about now, man? It shouldn't be low now. The microphone was sitting behind the camera, so maybe that had something to do with it. Is it better? I'm peaking on my volume chart right now, so I can't go any higher, man. So hopefully your volume's good. Confession. Yesterday I said someone in the Discord was part of the human trials with Brock. Turns out he was lying for attention. Scumbag, man. Come on. Anyway, his lie turned me into a liar, so I'm sorry. Well, here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. An actual liar, no, that doesn't make you a liar. Because you need intent. You need intent to lie. And you didn't have intent. You may have been spreading fake news, but you were not a liar at that point. because I believe that you relied upon somebody else. It doesn't make you a liar if you made a false statement. Just means you like to spread fake news there, devil's advocate. Doesn't make you a liar, though. Intent is necessary for a lie. Under the Canadian Liberty part of the U.S., a better value on buying Shiba. Kelly, that would be true, man. I don't know if you're going to get there anytime soon, but it would be true. Sup, Pika Power Play Gang? What's going on, next trucker? How you doing, Pika? I also use that in the same group, but even if the all-time high, I'll be set for a little bit. Nice, Justin. Next trucker, you need a glowing green name. You do, next trucker. Come on, CEI. Johnny Munoz. Yeah, CEI is doing pretty well today. CI is sitting at 90.5 cents right now, up 15% on the day. I believe Crypto Rocketeers got some CEI. I don't know if anybody else in here has CEI. I do not have CEI, but it does seem to be performing very well. It's on the bottom left there right now. Old money. It doesn't want to be replaced by the hotness crypto, so of course they're going to say, yeah, you know what, Mark? I wholeheartedly agree with that. I will tell you this, though, okay? And you guys may consider me old money or something. I personally don't want to see a 100% digital dollar, digital pound, digital euro, digital won, digital yen. I don't want to see that. For a couple reasons, man. It's not because I'm old school and I prefer cash. I do rarely use cash, like everything is credit card already. It's essentially digitized. You know, I'm not afraid of online purchases or anything. But if you start to move over, if your fiat moves over to a smart contract and these tokenized dollars that we would see, dude, at any given time, because I can tell you right now, the U.S. government is not going to renounce ownership of that contract on a digital dollar. And you know how CoinMarketCap puts warnings up all the time on the top of their page? Contract owner has not renounced ownership. Contract owner can change the tax rates whenever they want. All of a sudden, every single transaction is going to be taxed at whatever rate they want it to. I don't want them to have that level of control. I truly don't. I truly don't, man. I understand that, like, you know, people are supposed to claim things on their taxes anyway, but I can hand you a dollar bill right now, and it's good. If I send you a digital dollar, dude, they can tax it at 75% if they want. If they want to tax it at 75% today and 20% tomorrow, they can. It's a whack level of control. I am no better than a scummy weatherman calling for snow. We got clear skies and warm temps. Oh man, shaking my head. I'm the worst of the worst, man. No. Well, you can always redeem yourself, devil's advocate. Celebration with Lucky Charms. Let's get it, Esau. Woo, I love this community. Justin, it's the best, man. Next trucker, you have a shot for the crown with a green name. Come on, you're here every day. Pika Power. I love it, Pika. Digital bounce sounds like a classy way of saying... Oh, God. Okay, man. I hope somebody that gets to address the United Kingdom. Who's the guy over there? Boris Johnson. I hope somebody that gets to address. Who's the? I don't know who the central banker is over there. I don't know if I just can't think of it right now, or if I don't know who it is. Man, I hope somebody says that to them one day. That's hilarious. Devil's advocate. Yes, digital pound. More like, never mind. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you too, Danelle. I had a hypothetical thought. You buy X Shib for X now. Say 5 years down the road, you see 5X gains. The money you spent loses value from inflation, but you came out with more of it. Is that a hedge? That's a hedge against inflation. Yes. Kalani. So basically hedging just means when one thing goes down, another thing goes up. So if you're losing here, you're gaining here, and it's offsetting each other, okay? Sometimes, you know, if your losses are larger than your gains and so on, then, it's still a hedge. As long as you're making money on something when something else is losing money, that's a hedge. If you buy some positions long and you sell some positions short, that's a hedge because when one goes up, the other one's going to go down and so on. If inflation is making your dollar worth less, but Shiba Inu coin or your stocks are making your dollar worth more, then that's a hedge. You're hedging your losses against inflation. I just YOLO'd $100. Don't hate, I'm poor on a Titano. Very nice. JB, YOLO'd $100 on Titano. Is Titano a crypto? I've never heard of Titano. Titano, nice, man. YOLO'ing $100 on Titano there. 18 cents, $200 million market cap. Very nice, dude. I like it. You guys want to go jump in Titano and be rich like JB? I say get it. Relatively new, guys. Relatively new there. And it's been out since, looks like November of 2021. And it's actually been doing pretty good since November of 2021. Not huge growth, man, but some decent steady growth there. Titano could be something very cool, man. JB's going to be so freaking rich by the end of the year. We're all going to be like, dang it, JB, man. What the heck's going on? Keith, we got that 4-month member chat. Thanks for making my work days better and shorter. Keith, man, absolutely. Guys, we have a lot of fun in here. And it is true. When you're having fun, time just flies by. So, yeah, if you want your days to be a little shorter, absolutely hang on in here with us. And live stream goes extremely quickly. Your work day is going to go extremely quickly. And, Keith, man, thank you for hanging out in here and keeping the chat flowing and keeping everybody excited. I mentioned a stock yesterday called RevB. It was at $1.24. It has a price target of $12 for the year, up over 12%. It was up 20% earlier. Gosh. Crypto Rocketeer, you in? You in, or are you just looking at it, man? Revolution Biosciences, nice. This stock, was this a SPAC? Was this a SPAC that people hated? Is that what we got here? Formerly Petra Acquisition, yes. So it's clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. The company is focused on the development and commercialization of innate immune system therapeutics and diagnostics. Its clinical and non-clinical stage therapeutics and diagnostics platforms apply to a range of viral infections, including, whoa, can't say that name. All right, so they like to mess around with that virus that we can't name in here. And they've got some other things going on. But yes, it was a SPAC, formerly Petra Acquisition. And people did not like the acquisition. I mean, that seems very clear. Going from $10 all the way down to 80 cents in a very short time period from the end, just from the beginning of January to March, where we are right now. But you have to remember, market's getting ripped too. Market did not get ripped 90% like this stock did here. Pharmaceutical companies, though, I view them as dangerous. Extremely reliant on FDA approval and clinical trials and things like that. So please keep an eye out for that if you are interested in it. But man, I mean, it looks very, very cheap right now. Not a ton of volume, but it does look very, very cheap. Dude, some of these days it's got wicked volume. Going from like 200,000 to 24 million. Yeah, some of these days it's got a lot of volume there. But I don't know. Be careful with it. I don't like to necessarily buy stocks that are getting ripped as hard as this one is. But, dude, it does look really cheap. Crypto Rocketeer might be making some money on that one. Dang, dude, if they just return to that $10 line, you guys are 10xing your money. Heck yeah. Oh, GB's only found upon if you didn't pay your rent first. Shoot to glare, Chris. Yeah, otherwise, YOLO, my bro. Clear, bro. Waiting for my cover calls on Ford to fill. I'm still waiting for AMC 1601 close tomorrow. Frank, I still believe that AMC can close at 1601 tomorrow, man. Like, no worries there at all, dude. We're staying above this 1450 line of support now. That's excellent. Dude, I say easy. I say it's not going to be hard at all to watch AMC close above 1601 tomorrow. Let's get it, dude. Let's close above 1801 today and just kill it tomorrow. Clibro, before he jumps off anything tall, we better quickly catch Crypto Rocketeer to make him king of the chat today. Boom! Nice, Crypto Rocketeer, king of the chat today. That's what I'm talking about. Crypto Rocketeer, man. King of the chat. Very nice. Congrats, Keith, on 4 months becoming a bro. Yes, Keith, man. 4 months, my bro. Appreciate you very much, man. Yes, my mate's out of town, so I figure I'll throw an old digital pound on the telly and have... God. Stop messing with Pringleton like that, man. Stop messing with Pringleton like that. I see what you're doing. Devil's Advocate, I might be out of the doghouse next month when I finally pay my wife's car off after throwing all her money on AMC. That went well. JB, man. Yeah, you're going to get it. What is the coin called now? Titano. Dude, Titano's going to get JB a brand new car. I like it. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Ooh, Crypto Rocketeer, you got a heavy head there, man. Volume was okay. Consider the average. Oh, I thought you meant my volume now. Yeah, the volume on Rev B. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's still low if you're planning on going out there and dropping a ton of money. Speaking of FDA approval and dangers of pharma plays, I saw some paperwork dates for filings with Prague being down with them. Could be why the date for their earnings is a corpo update. Okay, so he saw some paperwork dates for filings with Prague being down with them. Being down with what? I think I might have missed something. Could be why the date for their earnings meeting is later. Could be, man. Could be. And hopefully they bring nothing but good news, because I want my Prague to go back up. I want my Prague to go back up, man, just like you do. I know. Crypto Records here. By the way, the crown gets you 20 cents off any Subway 6-inch sub, valid only in Canada. Nice, man. Nice. Peak of power. You got those 6-inch sub discounts in Canada. Sorry, had to give 6 vials of blood at LabCorp. What did I miss? Everything. Julia, you missed everything. Crypto Rocketeer, ready to get those 6-inch subs. Lightheaded Julia? Nah, she's good. Julia, you're good, right? Julia's over there hitting the vampires up this morning, giving them a late afternoon snack. Meanwhile, AMC back in positive territory, sitting at 15.29 right now. Shiba Inu coin is sitting at 22.48. GameStop off the charts, literally off the charts. GameStop sitting at 87.63. Did we ever figure out who that was that bought GameStop at $70 a couple days ago? I thought it might have been DD214, but now I forget who it was. Who bought GameStop at like $70 2 days ago? CEI 91 cents right now, 15% of the day. Nasdaq back in positive territory, loving that. Pharma sitting at 16.30 right now, loving that. Sundial 50 cents. Anybody that's got Sundial out there, very nice. Mullen Auto, ooh, soaring 31% today. I am not in Mullen Auto, but I believe it was it Mitch or CD Witt? I don't know who it was, Mitch or CD Witt, dude. Remember you guys, you got in that day like $1.13 or something. You got to be doing pretty well on that if you didn't close out yet. CEI looking good, SPY looking good, PBIG looking good, very nice. What do we got? What's that gold mine company doing? Gold mine company basically breaking even today, sitting at $1.38 right now. This is the line in the sand for profitability on AMC here. Hopefully that holds up there. And I don't think there's anything else necessarily that we've been keeping an eye on, right? I don't think. We'll come back out to here. Julia, I used to give blood every 6 months as a kid. Hated it. Hopefully you feel better soon. Yes, Julia, hopefully you do feel better soon if you're not feeling good already. Being done, as in a completed dates with FDA filings was finished. Earnings as corporate updates as well as quarter 4 numbers. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, having corporate updates with their filings and stuff. The API in Titano is a 102,000. It's not sketchy. JB going for that car money for sure, man. YOLO, JB. YOLO. Nothing sketchy at all about oh man, your annual percentage yield of 102,000% there. Got some great APY, man. You got some great APY on that bad boy. JB, you're going to be rolling in the dough. Sorry, fellas. Got to get back to work. Next trucker, man. Thanks for hanging out. And enjoy your work, dude. Come back if you can. Forgot my stupid beats at home. No, next trucker. You got to remember him next time. People are, no, you're awesome. You're awesome. No, you're awesome. No, you're awesome. DJJM, let's go AMC. Let's get it. Smash that like button. Listen to Frank. It wasn't me, Clay. $70 is Grandpa Barney money. Boom. It wasn't Grandpa Barney, though. It wasn't Grandpa Barney. Somebody bought GameStop at $70, and I swear it was a green name. But I forget who it was now. You guys don't remember? I forget who that was, and I swear they said they jumped into GameStop, and it was like 74 or 76 bucks. Wasn't me. Wish I had it, though. CD Witt, so it must have been Mitch that got Mullen Auto. Must have been Mitch that jumped in that as it was running. I don't know if they got back up because they were down a little bit after they got in, but now they doubled their money. So hopefully Mitch kept in. Got in $1.12 on it and got out at $1.50. I got back in today right before that big candle just pops. We'll see how it goes. Quick in and outs though on Mullen correct? Devil's advocate that we're talking about. You got into Mullen before a huge candle. Huge candle this morning, or are you talking this afternoon right here? Right here. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, guys, look, I know I'm not a huge day trader, right? You guys know that. And I know that day trading can be risky. But, dude, man, if you can get in with some quick ins and quick outs, if you want to just get in with a quick in and set a stop loss at break even and see how it goes, I mean, you can let a winner run if you want to. So, yeah, man, very nice. Devil's advocate making that money. 16% correct. Very nice. Very nice. 16%. Who just bought Rev going up 16%? It wasn't me, Crypto Rocketeer. Somebody else bought it in here after Crypto Rocketeer said something. Now it's up 16%. Very nice. Rev B rolling up. Oh, that's, 16%. Very nice. It's still rolling. Rev B $1.44 right now. Dude, I'm not going to lie. If you break out of this area in here at $1.80, which is not going to be impossible to hit because it's already done it twice in the last 2 weeks, you could be rolling all the way back up here to $2.50. So you've got some potential if this stock wants to start bouncing back. It's definitely got some potential. Let's see where we're at here. I watch it like a hawk until I get around a 5% gain, and then set a trailing stop so that worst case I break even. Dude, that's a great strategy, man. That's a great strategy. You're up 5%. Of course, if it does retrace, you would have wanted to take that 5%. You'd want to kick yourself and say, dude, I was up 5%. I should have just taken it. Well, yeah, man. Yeah, anytime a stock comes back down after it's been up and you were up, of course you're going to want to take it. But, dude, if you're trading, I mean, you get in, you're ready to roll then. You're ready to roll with that 5% stop loss on there. So I think it's pretty good, man. Anyway, still buying out of the money AMC leaps. I do not have any calls on AMC right now. Last year, I was in the hospital for about 2 months and had to give blood every few days. Is rough. Good luck. Yeah, that does sound really rough, man. Ampere GRT for CB card rewards. What? Holding. What? I know. I don't know. I missed something on that. Let's see. What do I think about HBAR? I honestly don't know anything about HBAR, man. Is HBAR a crypto or HBAR a stock? Oh, it's got to be a crypto. I don't know anything about HBAR. Sup, bro? What are they doing with Shiba miscounted by Coinbase? 500 some word, please. Aurelius. So, yeah, there would still be 549 trillion Shiba Inu coin in existence. Coinbase. Is Coinbase showing something other than 549 trillion right now? Because I know they're burning coins, but we have not even burnt 1 trillion coins yet. So it would not be 548 trillion or anything like that. We're nowhere near those levels. Guys, dare I say that Mullen has a dude, cup it. Oh my god. I don't know. It was like 3 days ago now that I was scrolling through some TikTok lives. And these dudes are out there. I'm telling you, if you guys hate YouTubers, and I know you probably don't, but like the people on Twitter, they hate YouTubers. If you guys find anybody that hates, and I might just start being a little bit more active on Twitter when these people are ripping on YouTubers and stuff for putting ads on their videos. Like, how much of an inconvenience is it for you to click skip after 4 seconds? Dude, they need to go watch some TikTok videos. They need to go watch some TikTok lives. These dudes are nonstop promoting Discords where you can make $1,200 a day trading with this 19-year-old kid, and he's gonna show you how to make $1,200 a day. And dude, cup and handle, man. I had not heard the word cup and handle in a long time. And then this dude's on there pointing out an inverted cup and handle. So it was upside down cup and handle. And he was waiting for it to break back out to the, I believe, upside. Even though it was an inverted cup and handle, he was still waiting for it to go back to the upside. So, yes, Devil's Advocate, thank you for reminding me that cup and handle is still a thing, because it is. I haven't heard it much on YouTube lately, but TikTok, dude. TikTok, maybe that's where it came from in the first place. I hit everyone, all right? Good. Devil's Advocate, as we should, man. Nano Dimension, more crazy than the market, cash more than the market cap, crazy run. Oh, he has risen. Is that true? I know they've been falling lately with the overall market, but I did not know that they're sitting on more cash than they have market cap. That's pretty interesting. They got more than $1 billion. Market cap sitting at 888 million. Wow, God. Yeah, guys. So I don't know if they've released their fourth quarter earnings statement yet, but third quarter they're sitting on $1.4 billion in cash, and their market cap, I think you guys can see this, their market cap is $887 million. So even forget about a run, man. If I had 800 and if I had 490 million dollars, I would go in there, I would take this company over, and I would just most likely liquidate them or just be fine letting them run and continue making money. But dude, they're sitting on $1.4 billion in cash. What's their debt look like? Maybe they got some stupid debt out there. Oh, maybe they got some stupid debt, man. No, they don't even have any stupid debt. Total current liability is only $14 million. Dude, their total liabilities are only $28 million. Oh, my God. Let's put it this way, okay? If Pharma starts to run, and I do decide to get out of Pharma, this is not a bad play at all. I don't even care if these guys aren't making money here. They're sitting on $1.4 billion in cash, and they've only got... Where did it go? Total liability. They've only got $28 million in debt. Oh boy, man. They're literally sitting on $1.4 billion, and their market cap is $890 million. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. Who pointed that out? I don't even know who pointed that out. Where's the thing at? Was it Lonnie or was it somebody else? I don't even know who pointed that out. It didn't look like Lonnie, but thank you for pointing that out, man. Oh, he has risen. Thank you for pointing that out. That is nuts. That is nuts that they're sitting on that much cash in their market cap. Now, it doesn't mean that they're going on a crazy run, right? That's the 1.4. They could increase by about 50% before they would reach that cash value on their market cap. So 50% still a very nice increase just to equal market cap in cash. I troll on another level. I never forget you peed your pants in third grade. Guess who brings it up at graduation? Dude, I peed my pants after third grade. Come on, man. Who hasn't peed their pants since third grade? You'd be lying to yourself if you haven't peed your pants since third grade. Oh, boy. You can't troll a troll. You can't troll a dude that is not afraid of anything. Be careful with the cup and handle. Those handles can easily break and everything gets spilled on the sofa. Crypto Racketeer, man. All of those handles are very fragile with the cup and handles, especially the TikTok cup and handles, man. Come on, AMC and Moon. Neighbors are fighting down the street. I want to get back to the country with cornfields for neighbors. Cassie, I don't blame you on that one. Hopefully, AMC Moon soon, and you do get to go back to the country. Grab a horse, grab a chipmunk, and just live your life, man. Bro, that is facts. I was drinking coffee. My cat looked me dead in the face. I said no. He slapped my cat mama coffee cup on the floor and shattered it. Boom, baby. Get that cup out of your hand. Yeah. The emergency is not everyone smash the like button. Guys, smash the like button. What do you do? We got 59 people in here. You're allowed to smash the like button. I had a handle break off my cubby cup, taking it out of the dishwasher. I was thankful it wasn't full of hot coffee at the time. I don't know if I've ever had a handle just snap off. Sounds like a good hostile takeover. Frodo, sounds like an excellent one, doesn't it? $28 million in debt, $1.4 billion in cash. Like, forget about they got to be making money, right? I don't even know if they're making money. Yeah. If they're making money, let them keep making money. They're not making a ton of money. Barely making any money, actually. I wouldn't be surprised. I did a video at the beginning of 2021 on Nano Dimensions. I wouldn't be surprised if they diluted the stock to get all that cash. Daily chart. I wouldn't be surprised if they diluted somewhere in this area to get all that cash, and then they came back down from that peak. That wouldn't surprise me. They are not making a ton of money, though. Honest, they're making barely any money. Let's put it that way. $1 million a quarter on $1.4 billion. I don't know what they're doing. I know that they've got those, I think they print microchips, right? Or they get a 3D printer or something. Okay, so they do 3D printing. I thought they printed microchips or something like that. They need to be making more money. That $1.4 billion could go to better use than $1 million a quarter in returns. Yeah. I mean, dude, Elon should just go buy these guys for their cash. Or like Mark Cuban or really any billionaire should just go buy these guys for their cash. Especially if they drop back down to $3 from $3.50. You know, they could come in and offer these guys $3.50 then, a 20% premium, and they'd still be making 50% on their money. Frodo, let's get the bros together. Let's pool all of our money, and let's go take this company over. Let's go buy Nano Dimensions. We need about $400 million. $400 million. We'll get a little decline here. We'll get these guys down to an $800 million market cap. 790. We'll go take them over with $400 million. And we'll make about, at that point, dude, we'll make about $250 million. We could just split that between us. God, this is the time. This is the time. You guys remember Lisa? You guys remember Lisa? Lisa would not give me a loan to save my life. If I said, Lisa, you know, I forget my credit score, okay? Forget that. Let's just pay cash for things. Give me a loan. I guarantee Lisa would still not loan me money if I told her, Lisa, loan me $400 million. And what am I buying with that $400 million? I am buying $800 million. That's what I'm buying with it. Well, you can't do that. Yes, I can. Just loan me the $400 million. She probably still wouldn't do it, guys. She probably still wouldn't do it. Let's pool our money. Let's pool our money and go grab Nano Dimensions. Do a nice hostile bro takeover. Could you imagine? Could you imagine how that would make the news? If we did, like, I know 68 of us don't have $400 million, but if we got the bros together and we went in and took over Nano Dimensions because we see that they have $1.4 billion in cash and they're sitting on an $800 million market cap right now. We go in and take them over, and dude, we just keep the cash. They'd be talking about us. Well, you can't do that. Well, yeah, we can, man. We just did. So tell me I can't buy the stock? Calm down. I can YOLO another 100. JB's chipping in, man. YOLO on the 100. Guys, anybody else got another 100? I got $10. We got $110. John James, we got another $110 right now. We are ready to go, guys. We are ready to go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. $110. We are almost there. We should start. I should get like a little thing on the side of the screen here or somewhere over, I don't know, maybe above my head or something. Just a goal. $450 million pledged. Oh, 450. We could start a Kickstarter too, man. We could start a Kickstarter. We could offer those guys just like a 5% return or something. We could offer them a bro shirt. And then we could get a $450 million pledge and go out there and take over Nano Dimensions. I say we do it, man. I say we do it. Yeah, but Clay, with $1.4 billion invested the right way, it could increase revenue a lot. That is almost as much money as AMC. Yeah, Frodo, I know. But they're not doing it, though. That's the thing. I don't know if they're spending it all on research and development, if they're just not, like, if they just got it sitting in cash, what they're doing. That's why I'm saying, like, I think Elon Musk could do better with that money, building some Teslas, or Mark Cuban spending $1.4 billion on Shark Tank could generate better returns than $4 million a year on $1.4 billion invested. For sure, Frodo. I think that would be an excellent takeover. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but my Mon fill is second only to Clay's a Prog fill. Legendary. Yes, dude. Looks like you got in right in this area, right in here, 222. You're sitting on a nice game, man. 242. It's sitting at 238 right now. Dude, run, man. Even if you come back down right now, your stop loss is better than 5%, right? You're going to be making guaranteed money. Clay, I heard your response. 12% women is all the women in this space. CJ. I don't know if 12% women is all the women in this space, but it might be, man. It might be. 12. It's roughly 12 and roughly 88. It's like 88 point something and 11 point something. He'll do, heck, I do 10 grand for guaranteed return. Moji, let's get it. And pledge it, like on a Kickstarter, and then we only go forward if we got enough for the takeover. So yeah, it would be guaranteed at that point. We don't pull the trigger unless we've got the deal. We've got the funds secured, we pull the trigger. We're guaranteed to double our money, man. Hood Row Investment Fund starting right here in our first takeover. The first investment we're going to be making is a hostile takeover of Nano Dimensions. I'm sick of hearing NNDM. It's time to go out there and acquire that $1.4 billion in cash. The right way, man. We're going to buy $1.4 billion in cash with $500 million in cash. Give them 2% in stock plus $400 million plus a Grandpa Barney, Shib Killa. Shib Killa could be our negotiator. 110. 110. We've only got $100 million to go. John James, let's get it. Rip everybody else. That's all they need, man. What do we care about everybody else? We're doing good. Sold Molten this morning for some tendies. Mad Medic. Very nice, man. Do you plan on getting back in if it's still running? Mad Medic, you trading or what? Because Devil's Advocate's doing pretty good, letting it run right now, sitting at 242. Devil's Advocate, you gonna let it run, or you gotta take profit on there, man. We could draw some lines on here and see where you're at. I don't know exactly where you're at, but it's always fun to watch, man. If somebody's making some money like that, let's assume you got in this area right here. Could have been a little bit better, but you say it's right before that big candle, so we just put it there. Devil's Advocate making some money this morning. Very nice, guys. Let's do a green line. That's his line right there. No, let's make it a red line, because under that, you lose money. Let's make it a red line there. But he's got a 5% trailing stop on. So he's already up 20 cents on $2. He's already guaranteed to make at least 5% on that trade. Nice. Devil's Advocate guaranteed at least a 5% gain this morning. I'm working on it. A red breast, 20-year-old age, eyeglass beard. What? I don't know what red breast, 20-year age in eyeglass beers. I don't know what that is, Mad Medic. Sorry. I would be very surprised if money managers let Mon break market makers let Mon break 250. Too many calls would have been hedged, probably causing a little gamma. J-Pal Tools, man. There's only so much they can do, though. And at the same time, they might be buying some calls as well. We don't know. They might be hedging themselves for some upside here. I wouldn't be terribly surprised if it does. But with how volatile it is, I wouldn't be surprised at all if it closes back down here at 205 today. You know, Mullen has been extremely volatile, and it does have a lot of upside potential left. I mean, you could hold this to $7 before you run into some pretty strong resistance in this area. But Devil's Advocate, you get stocks or you get calls, man. I don't want to see you losing any money, but if you get your 5% guaranteed return on there, you're doing good. Sitting at it's 243 right now. Let that bad boy roll. Did some say what? Did someone say drink? Oh God, Julia, calm down. You just got your blood taken. What are you telling me? Hedge funds know how to hedge? They might, man. Some of them might. The good ones might know how to do it. Anyone in the green on their Shiba investment? Shib Killa. I don't think I'm in the green, but I did add more Shiba, so I brought my cost average down the other day, but still don't think I'm in the green. Still don't think I'm in the green on it. Clay, I think Mad Medic is talking about alcohol. I kind of had the feeling that Mad Medic was talking about alcohol, but I don't know alcohol, so I wouldn't know. Need algebra to figure this stuff sometimes. Moji, dude, we do, man. We do. Those 2.5 or the $2.50 calls on Mullen should print. Mitch, if they do, man, I hope. Mitch, was it you that got Mullen the other day? We were just talking about that a minute ago. Was it you that bought Mullen the other day when it was running? You got in like $1.13 or $1.30 or something? I'm not buying any more options after losing 6,000 pro calls. I have some still. I'm letting ride, but not buying more. Good deal, Devil's Advocate. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to make sure you make money, man. Technically, I don't know actually what you lost, but you lost 60,000 like in profit, right? Sold at 230, and no one is green on Shib or AMC. No, Mad Medic. I'm green on AMC. My AMC is at 13. It's in the 1380s, so I'm green on AMC. Shiba, I think I do have to go up a little bit. My Shiba's somewhere in the twos. My Shiba's somewhere in the twos now, but I don't know where. I'd have to look at it. I think I'm still in the red on that though. MDT token, my ticket to the promised land. John James Power, man. I hope you get it. Hope it goes for it. Mon, I'm in it. It's 91 and letting it run. Josh, nice, man. Nice. Letting it run. Here's the thing, though, okay? If you're letting it run, you're letting it run. I'm not going to say anything about that. That's good. I just know that Mullen has been extremely volatile. So gains can come and go very quick in volatile stocks like this. Devil's Advocate doing very well right now, sitting at 250. Guys, if there's a lot of calls at 250 and I don't see any real resistance in this area because, okay, we broke this level here. 250. Okay, 250. 250's basically got a one-day level of resistance back here in February. Beyond that, man, if it breaks 250, you can see 275 real quick. And then beyond that, $3 pretty quick. So the good news is, like, Mullen fell so quick and so like hard with no real bounce backs that the major resistance levels are going to be 250, 275, and $3. And they're not even major. They're just a couple taps. So that's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all if you guys are excited about a little run. But I like Devil's Advocate's strategy there. If he's day trading it, he knows he's day trading it, knows he might be swing trading it. Just if you got your stop loss on there, yeah, you could get stopped out, absolutely. But at least you're guaranteeing yourself a gain. That's exactly what he's done there. He's guaranteed himself a gain. Really, it bounced off that 250 level. It's going to be significant, so we'll see if it breaks through. Keep an eye on that. Hey, bro, nothing wrong with your compliments. Complimenting the honeys, right? Nothing wrong with that, CJ. Never. It was that you lost 6,000 or you lost 6,000 profit. I think it was a profit. I don't know. Hey, bro, I think the Shiba team has to do something drastic to move people back into Shiba. I think the lack of clarity and the no movement in price is taking a lot of AR. Yeah, it is, man. It is. Here's the thing. The lack of clarity, I don't think that they're ever going to give you any clarity, okay? The lack of excitement, yeah, people get excited about stuff that's moving. We're all excited about AMC, but Mullen's moving right now. So we're excited about Mullen. Well, we're excited about Mullen Auto too, especially with you guys that have positions in it. I don't have any Mullen Auto right now, so I'm not super excited about it myself, but I'm excited you guys are out there making money right now. So Mullen getting ready to break that 250 level right here, and hopefully it shoots to 275, man. I hope you guys make some serious cash. But there's something about a stock price that's moving, something about a crypto price that's moving that gets people excited, and you're absolutely right. As far as like the Shib development team doing something, I honestly, I don't think they can do anything with Shiba. I think the best they can do is grow the ecosystem, and they're doing well at that. They're doing very well at that. 20,000 my own money, 60,000 overall, so 40,000 fake money, and 20,000 real money. Fake money is the best kind of money, man. GME is out of frame. Oh, my bad. My bad. We brought it back now. GME is just hard because my face is down here in the bottom right. So I always try to keep it just a little bit on the screen there so you guys can see where it's actually at. Got Solana 83. Could go to 1,100. John James Power, dude. One of my friends, okay? I haven't talked to him about it, but Nick F, he talks to him a lot more than I do. I rarely talk to him. Dude, he got Solana at $2, man. $2. He bought into Solana. I don't know if he still got it, like how much he got or anything like that, but he got in at $2, man. AR, feeling the same about AMC or anything really. People are focused on the same thing. Faster things will happen, but I don't know. I'm just a landscaper. Yeah, Chris, the excitement that draws people in, though, draws new people in, and a lot of people are probably just trying to trade the crap out of Auto today. The same deal with, BBIG. It's running. People are going to jump in. You got CEI up 13% today. You're going to have some traders jumping into CEI. These very volatile stocks are just that. They're very volatile because you're going to have a ton of people trading. Just this 1 minute right here had 3.2 million shares traded on Auto. Think about that. This minute that it tapped the 352 or 252 high, 3.2 million shares traded. That's a lot of buying and a lot of selling. The day traders are loving Auto right now. And you do have a decent. This is actually looking like a decent pullback here. Hopefully it continues to hit this trend line and move higher and just keeps bouncing. Watch that. If it breaks it, if it comes down here and breaks this, I think you're gonna have some more intraday support here at 240. But just watch that and see what you want to do there. But 5% trailing stop. 252, 5%, 10 cents on, 12 cents, 12.5 cents is your 5%. 12.5 cents, 240. So Devil's Advocate stop loss is already up here at 240 from 220, guaranteeing himself a 10% gain at this point in time. Very nice, man. Guaranteed a 10% gain. Can't beat that at all. Said it was a learning experience and I got some money left. Hey, yeah, Devil's Advocate, man. You paid for college. You paid for a finance degree in a couple weeks' time, man. Justin Johnson, did you sell any during that time? I bought in at 0.6641. I didn't know a thing then. J Shib Killer. You know a lot more now, don't you? Question, how do stop losses work as far as going into swing and not a day trade? Are they effectively after hours still, or how's that work out? So Devil's Advocate, I don't know if you're using Webull or what platform you're using, but you should be able to have them on after hours. Like I know my limit orders and my take profits and my stops that I do have on positions, I have to specifically set them to be after hours. So check that out. I mean, I think if you're using Webull, it should be fairly simple to see that. If you don't have them turned on after hours, and let's say Auto, it closes above your stop loss right now. Let's just say it trades sideways the rest of the day, and it closes at 250. And tomorrow morning, you don't have any after hours trading set on or turned on, and then tomorrow morning, it opens up at $1.25. It's going to trigger your stop loss at $1.25. So it's going to close it as soon as possible. It's going to trigger, and you could get closed. You could get filled at $1.25 then. So that's a great question. So if you're looking at that, I have 6%, not 5%. I don't like using typical mental numbers. That's normal people use. Okay, good deal. So if you've got that, though, but you have no after-hours trading on, and you never hit it today, if it opens tomorrow, let's say they got some crap news or the CEO comes out and says that Auto is a scam and we took all your money, and tomorrow morning it opens up at $1, it's going to activate your stop loss at $1, and you're going to get filled at whatever the available price is when that happens. Same deal on your stop loss now, man. If it triggers you at the 6% loss, and let's say your 6% is at 250, it's a market order at that point. So you could get filled at 249. You could get filled at 248. It's just a market order that says, oh, okay, sell it at 250 right now. Next available share, I want out. Doesn't have to hit it exactly at 250. It just triggers your order to go in. Webull, that disgusting demonic payment for order flow broker. Yeah, I'm on Webull. Yes, that's the one, man. Just make sure you have after hours trading set up on that. It should be fairly simple to see, man. It's in the orders when you go and set the orders up. Because you can have it go till end of day, or you can have after hours selected. You can have it go like for today's trading day, or good till canceled. So I would assume that you would want it to be good till canceled, and you would want your after hours trading as long as you're okay with after hours trading triggering your order. I don't care about the Shiba price right now. I'm diamond-handed. Nice. Read my message, dude. Crypto Rocketeer, I got you, man. Let's see. Bone is up. Do you think it will run when they launch Shibarium? Yeah, Shitsu Inu. I do think that Bone is going to do well when Shibarium launches. What's their name? What happened to James and Luca? Crypto Rocketeer. I have no idea where Luca's been. And Lisa Fontaine is the one, yes, that I was talking about. That would not give me a loan on anything. She's what was she? A lending agent or something. And then M. James 007, man. I don't know where that dude has been. I don't know. Has anybody seen him? I haven't seen him on Twitter. I haven't seen him in anybody else's live streams. I haven't seen him in a while. Let's see. With the volatility, I'd be surprised if it doesn't sell by end of day. Also, as always, thank you for your candor. Boom. As always, thank you for your good questions, man. I would also assume that you're going to see a 6% pullback at some point today, especially knowing that it's already up 40% today? Yeah, especially with it already being up 40%. Honestly, dude, I think you're going to get tapped if you hit 240 here. So you only got 2 cents. 6%. You might get tapped if it hits 238, 239. So I think you could get tapped here pretty soon if it broke this uptrend. Dude, no shame in getting tapped, though, man. You just guaranteed yourself a 10% gain, though. That's solid. Holy crap, 1 billion, only 100 million here. You're going to be rich. Oh, gee, man, let's get it. Yep, looking to hold for years. Diamond Hands, Alice in Wonderland, very good. Where's the rest? I have not seen Wrestler. I have not seen Mr. Enormous. There's a lot of people that I haven't seen in the last couple weeks. Wrestler was here within the last couple weeks, but Mr. Enormous and some other people that were very active, I haven't seen them. Listen, Vion had a huge float, but it's working hard to break a wall. It's gonna run, bros. Hey, if you guys want to go check out Vion too, look, guys, we know that the whole point is to point out different plays. You're going live, we're hanging out, we're answering questions, all of that stuff. And Mitch doesn't know if Vion's gonna run. I don't know if Vion's gonna run. But just looking at this level of resistance here, you can see that if it does break this 50 cent level, there's a very good chance it's gonna go to 63. And beyond that, man, with getting ripped so hard because of the dealings with Russia in here, on a strictly technical standpoint, yeah, it could go back up to 60 cents, 80 cents, $1, and so on. It does have a lot of resistance in this area, though, and it would need to break that. So it is a possibility if you guys want to take a chance, man. If you want to take a chance, you might be better off getting in after the break as it's running. I know you're going to find some people that are going to tell you not to chase it, but if it breaks that technical level of resistance, it's most likely going to test the next one. So if you want to get in at 50 cents and try to get out at 58 cents, 59 cents, dude, make your 10% gain, right? Mitch, you in Vion? Come on, guys. I have the C word and I still made it. Peak of power. Exactly. I don't know what these guys are doing. Devil, did you get tapped? Looks like he got tapped. I'm happy with the 10% tap. Anything up is a win for me, man. Like I said, I'm mentally using stop losses as a rule. I'm not looking at the stock when it's tripped until the next day. There you go, dude. There you go. So I think you got tapped, and 10% gain, dude. Nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with a 10% gain. I don't even care if it's on $100, right? If you make $10 on your $100, boom. Yeah, 5 days a week. I mean, that's incredible, okay? It's incredible to be making 10% gains 5 days a week, and you don't have to do it on your whole portfolio. But, dude, if you're sitting there making an extra 10 to 20 bucks a day, right, you know that's all. Your dinner's paid for. Your lunch and dinner's paid for every day then. If all of a sudden you just allow that to accumulate, and maybe you're going in there, you like your trading style, all of a sudden you're making 30, 40 bucks a day. And then, shoot, man, okay, you make 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, lose 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, lose 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, make 30 bucks, lose 30 bucks, lose 30 bucks, lose 30 bucks, make 30 bucks. You got to expect the losses to come as well. But, dude, you're making money like that, it adds up. Oh no, Rev B dropped to make a handle on 5 minutes. Oh no, we got Rev B cup and handle coming out here. What are we going to do? We get the 5 minute chart. Uh-oh. We got a little, that actually does look like a pretty good cup there, Crypto Rocketeer. I hate this volume, but that does look like a cup there. And you got your little handle, man. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? You guys pointing out cup and handles, man. I hate you guys. Oh my gosh. We got that cup and handle out there for Crypto Rocketeer. And Mullen Auto is sitting at 238. Major 10% gain in, out. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Wait, when did you buy your mining rig? Have you bought any recently? Prices are crazy. Next trucker. So yeah, prices are pretty crazy right now. I'm going to tell you what. If you do want a mining rig, get your mining rig when crypto is getting ripto. Okay? People basically let their graphics cards go for nothing. I got my most recent mining rig at the end of 2020. I got it at the end of 2020 is when I got the most recent one. And dude, it was cheap. It was cheap. The graphics cards were like $50 a piece. Now I could sell these graphics cards for $250 a piece if I wanted. So get it when crypto is getting ripped, and you're gonna be better. Lewis, this is the time to listen to advice, to brainstorm with your fellow bros and get them gains later. Lewis, absolutely, man. And that's what it is, guys. These lives, dude, they're brainstorm sessions. They're people in a chat room talking and pointing different things out, answering questions if you guys got questions, and, looking at different stocks. Nobody's sitting here recommending or forcing anybody to go out and buy anything. Hey, we won a big kabasa. Well, Clay won the big kabasa right now. We always want the big kabasa, man. Stop losses have F'd me too many times on the daily 5 to 10% smack. Dip only to see it race later. Still riding bone, no stop loss. Josh, yes, there's a lot of people that feel the exact same way. I will say this, though, okay? And it does always seem like it reaches down. And look, devil's advocate, maybe the devil's advocate just got tapped, and it does start to run. It always seems like it taps you and then moves forward and hits you at the worst possible time, hits you by 1 cent, and then starts to rip and take off, and you could have been making money. But the name of the game, man, isn't to worry about stop losses and things like that. Stop losses are necessary if you're a trader. If you're trading, you have to make sure that you show up tomorrow. You have to make sure that you don't lose all of your money in one position. And stop losses they're a necessary evil, in my opinion, if you're going to be going out there and trading. I know it seems like you get stopped out and then it runs a little bit later, but you got to make sure, man. You got to make sure that you preserve your capital and you can trade again tomorrow. I don't know where you guys are at, but here, it's a beautiful day. Perfect to ride my bike. Dude, today, it's 64 degrees out. Little cloudy. I can see that it's not too sunny out there, but I got curtains up, so it's not like killing the lighting in here. Yeah, but I'm excited about today, too. Yesterday was very nice. Today, hopefully it's just as nice. It was $300 I was playing with, so I made like $30 in about 20 minutes or so. I'm not taking them to prog share. I'm taking them to prog, shares, not options. Also, if it hits and you're up, who cares? You're up. Exactly, man. Exactly. You guys are gonna learn this too, and I don't know how long you've been in the market. FOMO is real, right? And FOMO is real jumping into a position, but as soon as you're out, you have the decision to kick yourself and kick yourself and kick yourself because you got out too early. You could have let it ride. And then there's a lot of negative emotions that you can hit yourself with that are just unnecessary. If you make a 10% gain, but you could have made a 20% gain, congratulate yourself on the 10% gain. Do not tear yourself down about the 20% gain. If you lose 5% or 10%, and you would have lost 5%, if you would have lost 10% or 20%, congratulate yourself on the stop loss working and not beat yourself up over a 5% loss. If you're trading and you're making a lot of these swing trade and day trade decisions, you can really talk down to yourself and tell yourself that you're an idiot trader and you're dumb, even if you're making money. You could have always made more money. And I'm telling you, that will never change. If you made money, yes, you could have always made more money. Devil's Advocate invested $300. He could have put $3,000 in, and he could have made $300 instead of $30. He could have gone out there and he could have taken his profit at $250 instead of letting it slide back down 6% and getting stopped out at $238 or whatever. He could have made more money. He has a decision. Tell himself he's an idiot for missing out on a few percent, or congratulate himself on a profitable trade that followed his trading plan. If you want to be successful, you absolutely have to speak positivity into your trading plan, because every single trade, whether it's a winner or a loser, you will be able to tell yourself how dumb you are for making that trade. And you will even if you're successful making money, you're not going to have fun, man. You're not going to have fun. You're always going to be stressed out. And, it's always going to be, I could have done better. Man, I'm an idiot. I should have just let that ride. I shouldn't have hit that stop loss. I should have done all that stuff. Make the money, man, and move on to the next trade. You cut that one out and start from the new page. It's the only way to really be successful, because even if you're making money but you're hating yourself along the way, nah, man, that's not success. Experience kills the FOMO. And logic would kill FOMO too. But what I'm saying is, just if you've got a profitable trade, or if you've got an unprofitable trade that you followed your trading plan, don't kick yourself over it. You will talk yourself out of trading. You will talk yourself out of investing so fast, and it's never a good thing. Hey bro, is it worth to day trade crypto with a tax so high? So AR, if you do want to day trade crypto, you can use a platform like Webull. There's no taxes associated with buying and selling Shiba Inu coin on Webull. What you're doing at that point, Ethereum too, like none of those coins have taxes. They have spreads. So Shiba Inu coin right now, if I do want to go buy it, it's probably going to cost me $22.60, $22.70. If I want to sell it, I'm going to have to sell it at $22.20, right? There's a little bit of spread on there, so that's the only thing you're making up. If you want to day trade it, you could do it that way. Very difficult to day trade with the amount of taxes on a lot of these smaller cryptos, and the gas fees as well. 54 degrees in Bedfordshire. It feels amazing. Yeah, King Toad, man. King Toad. I like it. 64 degrees here, so very, very nice. You get a good day over there. As long as the sun's shining, that 54 is going to be nice. No one has ever lost money taking profits. Frank, facts on that, man. But yeah, if you guys have been trading for a while, you probably know what I'm talking about. You can always have a better trade, and you can always kick yourself down, even for making a good trade and following your trading plan. No faster way to hate investing and hate trading than telling yourself you're an idiot every time you could have done better. Well, small world. I don't know what the world is. King Toad, I just saw your name. I love it. I do like King Toad. That's pretty cool. 51 in Mason City, Indiana. Boringville. You and Chris got to be best friends, man. Check the video on Twitter. That's there, and you can post it. It's apparently a video of Zelensky showed before talking to Congress. Crypto Rocketeer. Okay. I didn't watch him talking to Congress yesterday, but I'll have to check that out. Going to see Psychedelic Furs this weekend. Stoked. Julia, is that another band? I'm very sorry. I don't know what Psychedelic Furs is. Got to get back to work. Hugs Shiba Army and happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, we're leaving here anyway. Yorkie, thank you very much for hanging out. You can't lose what you don't put in the middle, but you can't win any either. Yeah, that's true, Mitch. You got to be willing to risk, right? My portfolio is pretty bloody right now, but like Rocky Balboa, it will come back and win. I hope. Nah, dude, I truly do think that a lot of bloody positions are going to come back. It's just a matter of time before they do. And there's a lot of fear out there right now. Once that fear settles down, we're going to be good. Bye-bye, gang. See you in the afternoon stream. You know, I didn't know Zelensky went from a comedian to president. Heck yeah, 62 degrees and sunny here. Nice, King Toad, only for you. But try not to make others too jealous. Yes, Idle Darkness. Thank you very much for the super chat. Shout out to you, Idle Darkness, for hanging out in here. Not Indiana. Oh, Iowa. Sorry, man. Sorry. I was looking at the IA. Sorry, for Iowa, not Indiana. A state no one knows where it is. Dude, everybody knows. Everybody knows where Iowa is. Come on, man. You guys grow potatoes, right? Right? Isn't that Iowa? You guys growing potatoes out there? I know that's Idaho. Anyway, it's the end of the stream. I just wanted to make sure you guys know I know that's Idaho before I cut the stream off and get the shout-outs going. Yes, Clay. A ghost in you, pretty in pink, love my way, heartbreak beat. Yes, whatever that means. Thoughts on side of Flow Inu Clay? How many you hold? 0. I should buy like a zillion side of Flow Inu, so the next time Mr. Simon asks, he's going to be blown away. All right, guys. What's Iowa? Is that like a restaurant or something? Yeah, man, that's a little dive bar down the street. Guys, get your names in the chat. Let's get these shout-outs going. It's 1 o'clock. We'll be back in the afternoon. We're going to watch these stocks go higher. We're going to have a great day today. Thank you to everybody that was in here, making the chat move, clicking the like button, all that good stuff. Congratulations, Devil's Advocate, making that 10% gain. Love it, guys. Want to hear more stories like that if you guys are out there making money, if you guys got some movers, all that good stuff. So let's get these shout-outs going. Crypto Racketeer. Boom, baby dad mono as always. Mr. Simon, see you later. Moji, Pika Power, J Shib Killer, Zachariah, Cassie, Lewis, see you later. Tistis, Victor, see you later, man. Frank, Alice in Wonderland, have a great afternoon. Idle Darkness, see you this afternoon. Mark Crypto, Mr. Simon, love you, man. Shib Killer, Mitch, Pika Power, guest name, Justin, later, everyone. See you later, SD, Julia Gulia, Pika Power, Alice in Wonderland, King Toad, man, loving the name. Peace out to you, my friend. Mitch Lewis, yes. See you later, Mitch. Brad, have a great afternoon. Have a great afternoon and see you later this evening or whatever it is. Forget about Putin. Yes. Next Trucker, have a great afternoon as well. All right, guys. You know what time it is. Tisk tisk. See you later, man. Clowny. See ya. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.